now let's take a look at one more very important consideration, which is measurement. After users start using Copilot and all these agents, one of the fundamental things that all business leaders want to do is to figure out how do we measure ROI. And so today, we are very excited to announce Copilot Analytics. Yeah. If you take, let's say, a sales territory manager, so they can now correlate the specific Copilot usage to a business metric, like their win rate over time, right? And it's not just Copilot, it's Copilot and all the agents that you built. You can look at their usage and start tuning even the usage to the business KPIs, right? Our goal is to show how Copilot usage is ultimately directly translating into business outcomes across sales, marketing, finance, and more. And there are many, many more examples. This is